Hey guys, Diecast Direct, and today we'll be reviewing the Muscle Speeder from Hot Wheels. Now, before I get into this video, I just want to say good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is, wherever you are right now. Hopefully you're having an awesome day. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Muscle Speeder from Hot Wheels, which is one of the coolest models ever. Now, as always, don't forget we have the 100 subscriber giveaway. First link in the description if you want to check that one out. And if you remember this car, yes, it's from the mystery treasure box. I wanted to take an in-close look at it, in-depth review. Second link if you want to check that video out. Other than that, let's get into the review, pretty much the reason you came here. Now, this car is pretty futuristic, as you can see. It has this nice aerodynamic look to it. And it's made just for the track. On the bottom you can see it says Muscle Speeder 2015 Mattel. Yes, 2015 was the first year they started making Muscle Speeder, and now it looks like this, which is pretty awesome. A nice orangey pinkish color. I really love it. Then I like how they added the chrome outlines on the bottom. You can see right there the chrome outlines, which is pretty nice, as you can see. But other than that, that would summarize the bottom. Now let's take a look at the top. Now on the top we can all see that there is quite an interesting look, making it very futuristic. And yes, I am freehanding this. So it's pretty nice, I'm gonna put it back on the tripod now. So let's stand and we can take a better look at it. So yes, here it is. It runs extremely well. Like, I'm not gonna lie, extremely well. And you can see on the back, Hot Wheels even added their tiny little logo right there. And you can see it's very nice. This car is definitely one of the coolest models. And let's do a run test in 3, 2, 1. Did you hear how quiet that was? You probably didn't hear it because that's how quiet it was. That was really quiet. So yes, this is one of probably the coolest Hot Wheels I've ever seen. And there's these very nice lines on the side. As you can see, those are very nice. And they even detailed the engine, which is chrome, and the interior. Although it is a little hard to see the interior. Other than that, this pretty much sums up the review of the Muscle Speeder from Hot Wheels. And there's not much I can say about it. That's about it. So thanks again for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. Also be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos. I have a lot more planned. And today is February 1st, and a lot of you creators out there on YouTube know that if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, your videos are gonna get demonetized, which sucks. So I have 20 days left to make the 20 best videos of my whole entire career on this journey, this YouTube channel. And again, I just want to thank you. So there's a 100 subscriber giveaway for you at the bottom there, free Hot Wheels. I'm announcing it at the end of the week, so you don't have much time. So you better hurry up, because someone else might win it. Other than that, this pretty much wraps up the video. Like I said, here's a couple videos that you might want to check out. Hopefully you'll like them. In the middle there's a tiny little logo of mine, and you just want to touch that, and it's going to show you subscribe, and you just click that. And other than that, I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, peace.